another Temu bags everywhere. Stick around and we'll see what we got. Alright, let's start off with this one. These are some big boxes, so actually there's several big boxes in this one here. So we'll see what's what. Tell you what, I'll be right back with all this kind of sorted out. Okay, I know you can't really see it as well, but there's actually 3 of these. And what they are is lighting. So I'm going to set 2 of them off to the side and we'll just open one up and take a look at it, because the other 2 are exactly the same. So this is a swivel bracket, which this will be used to adjust the LED head. There's 3 of those for each one of the stands. Okay, so it comes with filters. Looks like 3 color filters. Oh no, 4. So we got red, blue, yellow. It looks like a diffused white. Okay, just looks like a standard LED light panel. It's 1000 LM or 1000 lumen. Number of lamp beads 70. Looks like these do have kind of a cold shoe mount that you could mount on a camera or something. They're USB connection. So nothing fancy. This is not. Yeah, there's nothing special about this. It doesn't look. It's all plastic. It's all real light gauge metal. There's nothing fancy about it. And that's the best part about stuff like this right here. When you break it, which eventually I guess you will, you don't feel bad about it. Okay, so I spared you watching me rip into this one because this is another set of lights. There's 4 in this one, and I think it's probably going to wind up being the exact same stand. I'm not even going to pull it out. It's the exact same one I pulled out. Cheesy, cheap, nothing to it. The ones that came with the 3 light set are pretty much all plastic, and this appears to be all metal. So they're a little higher end. They're larger, but they feel, just as cheesy. Nothing special in any of this. This is, and I don't know what CCT means, but it is 3000 to 6500K. 240 leads, LEDs. And I don't see filters, but I think these, yeah, okay, so they're going to change. They're going to be like the ring lights, to where you turn them on, you can adjust your intensity up and down with the plus and minus. And then this right here will put you through several modes of the light, which it'll be a fluorescent style light. It'll be a brighter style light, which I think the top ring light up here is set to the brighter, kind of a bluish tint to it, and this one is more of a white tint to it. And then of course there's an incandescent light right there, and the ceiling light in the room. But these right here, I think they have those 2 light color lights, and then they have I would call it candle light, because it's almost a brown light, like an old incandescent bulb with filament in it. And then another one that's kind of maybe a tan-ish look. And so that's the 4 colors that I believe this is going to put out. Okay, so here we got this, and I think I know what's in here. I thought it was a H1N mic, but it is not what I thought it was. Instead, it is the mop that goes on an H1N mic. Looks like there's a foam one included, as well as a big furry horsehair. I think the kids watch a cartoon. My grandkids, I think, watch a cartoon with something with hair like that on it. Alrighty, so here we've got another package. Okay, this is going to give you an idea of what camera I have coming, or one of them. This is a NP FW50 battery. So this was a pretty neat little kit. It came with 4 batteries and a dual charger, and it's from Castor. So let me grab the instructions out of this because I'm throwing all these boxes and stuff away, but I don't read instructions, so I don't know why I'm keeping them. So I may see about getting all these batteries charged up. Okay. So this is a dual charger, and this is basically, looks like 2 little batteries up here that progressively, as they fill up, you see them fill up. And the other charger, I think it's a little fancier, but basically the same thing from eBay. And so there's only one way the batteries can fit in there. And you charge 2 of them at a time. So, all right. I think I know what this is. And again, it was look at it, then open up eBay, and all of a sudden, boom, there it is at a super cheap price. Well, there you have it. I got some Boom Bob Mart. No, that's the seller, I guess, is what they packaged that in. That's pretty cool, though. I like that. So anyway, let's see about getting this open. You know what? This thing is toast anyway, so let's finish off this scalpel. Well packaged, it looks like. That's nice. I like to see that. So often nobody thinks about packaging stuff so well. Be careful about cutting this because I know what this is. And I think y'all are figuring it out too. I'm not sure how I would clean that on the inside or how it would affect the actual picture. But we will see. So this is some kind of powered lens, but it is a 4.5 to 6.3, 55 to 210 millimeter. So the 4.5, so I'm kind of learning a little bit about this stuff. So the 4.5 to 6.3 is the f-stop, which 4.5 I think would require a decent amount of light. Of course, it's the E-mount for the 2 cameras. And a zoom. So I do hope I can figure out how to get in here. I don't think these are like scopes, because a lot of those times a scope is filled with nitrogen, and I don't know if that's showing up, but it's like water droplets on the backside of the lens. So and I've got some more lenses and some more things. Uh, this is, I guess, like a sun guard on a scope. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to reference everything back to a scope. That's just I understand more about scopes, and I assume they're kind of in the same range. So when we get some more stuff in, we'll do another one of these. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I would ask that you would please like and subscribe. Um, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you spending your precious time. Thanks, and God bless.